These are just a few of the bits and pieces that I make. It's a very small selection of the products that I make. This here is an offcut from a product that I make. My folding stool. As you can see, that goes there.
Okay.
So from that, all of those are made various times and only from that product. From that piece, it's glued together to make 2 or 3 or 4. It's cut up in various ways to make each and every one of these products. That's made out of 4 if you go that way. These get made out of that when it's split into 2. There's a ripping that comes off the end of those, and that's where these come from. Okay. These here and the little silky oak piece in there, they all come from the offcuts when I make, of all things, sets of chopsticks that go to Asia. I've sent hundreds of packets of 2 pairs of chopsticks to a lady in Singapore who sells them in her pop-up shop. I've also got 11.5 kilowatts of solar on my building. All of my lights are LED. All of the chip and offcut and scrap and what have you that I get, this isn't exclusive, there are other things that I make from the scrap. The chip all goes to a guy who does composting and worm farms and makes all sorts of micro active things for the garden and commercially. Like I said earlier, my wheelie bin probably only gets emptied once a month because I use everything, because that at the end of the day is a valuable piece of resource, and that's how I look at everything in my workspace and in my business. It's just too expensive to throw in the bin. I'd rather spend more time and make something like these things. Darning mushroom, you know, who's seen the darning mushroom? So yeah, that's what I do. That's my contribution to sustainability.